नमस्कार. आम्ही सध्या असा वेस्टर्न घाटाक आणि वेस्टर्न घाट म्हटलो की हांगासरली बायोडायवर्सिटी आयलीच. प्रुडंटाच्या माध्यमांतल्यान आमी तुमकां खुबशे फावट हांगासरल्यो गजाली दाखोवपाचो प्रयत्न केला. खुबशीं जनावरां दाखयलीं, खुबशे सोरोपूय दाखयले, खुबशे पक्षी दाखयले आणि आयज जे आमी पळोवपाक येयला ते कारवी फ्लावर पळोवपाक. जे कारवी फूल जे आसा, जे कारवी झाडाक लागता ते प्रत्येक एवरी 7 वर्सांनी फुलता अशें तेजें वैशिश्ट्य आसा. आणि आमच्या सत्तरी वाठारांतली एक संस्था आसा, विवेकानंद एनवायरमेंट अवेरनेस ब्रिगेड जी आसा, वेब जाका म्हणटात आमी, तेचे वांगडी आणि ही संस्था ह्या असल्या गजालींचेर उजवाड घालपाचो प्रयत्न करता आणि वेगवेगळ्या वेस्टर्न घाटाक भोंवन वेगवेगळे गजाली सोदून काडटा.
These are the wild grapes. You know, the wild grapes also plays significant role, and you know the Tamil Nadu has a state butterfly. The state butterfly of Tamil Nadu is Tamil lacewing. So Tamil lacewing mostly thrive on these grape, look like a small grape flowers. So these flowers are very useful for them, and in Goa and in most part of India, you know, the shrub plays very significant role, because among the tribal Vedi Gaonkar community of Goa, they will not be allowed to marry unless and until they remove a stick of this and hold it in the hand. Got it, no? So it is mandatory for them on the New Year, that is the first day of the Chaitra. Jinyachi Jatra is organized in Kankon area in the vicinity of the Mallikarjun temple. So during that occasion, they will hold a stick and then they take part in the procession on the drum beats. Those pendro for making pickles, got it, no? And so many items, for example cooking vegetable also. And if you eat the pickle made from this Tamilnadia Ulginosa, you will again and again come to relish on that pickle, got it, no? So very tasty and of a good quality. So when I offered it to Dr. Vandana Shiva, she was very much fascinated, and first time she told that she is testing the Tamil Nadu Ulginosa pickle. You can make the pakode without using besan. You can make the pakode not of this, please. Don't confuse. Look like the same, but it is different. So Tamil Nadu Ulginosa is Pandro. So actually the pastoral folk dance performed today by the Christian community. But even today, when they stand in front of the Holy Cross, they will start their invocation. First invoking the presiding deity of that area called Chandreshwar. Chandreshwar is the form of Shiva, and they will start the folk song. फुडल्यान खेळता मुसळाचो, फाटल्यान सोसो तिसऱ्यांचो, इल्ली इल्ली सांगशी भांगराची, तेतून सायबीण बसल्या चांद्राची. So in the song, you find the reference Rumodo Piccala. So this is Rumod, Audumbar, got it, no? So different type of the wild vegetable. So this is locally called Bharangi, and when these leaves are tender, you can pluck it and you can directly cook it as a vegetable. And also the flower, you can remove and put it on the on heated utensil, and you can eat it. So both the flower and leaves are used as a wild vegetable. So this is called Barangi. So you people are using Colgate, got it, no? Different types of the toothpaste, and we are unable to understand the importance of the ingredients that are present in such type of the toothpaste. So this is you can see Terminilla chabula. So it has multiple use. You can use it for medicine. Also you can use it for painting. Got it, no? So locally it is called hirda. And in Tamil region, people make chutney from the outer part of this fruit. So Terminilla, among the Terminilla species, the Terminilla cebula has a very high nutritional value, medicinal value, pharmacological value, and also cultural value. So because it is a part of the food item in Tamil region, and in Goa, when people faces any problem of the toothache, they just chew it. It is a bitter in taste.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.